Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm dropping in to share with you my last December daily layout for 2021. I do have 2 other pages that need to go into my album to fill gaps, but I will not be recording them, I don't think. And actually, I'm not even sure I really want to do them right now. I just want to move on to other things. I have been working on this album long enough. So the page that I'm working on today is very simple. It is going into a pocket page style page protector. It is 2 pockets that are 4 by 6 inches. And the top title card is going to be my title, while the bottom title card is going to be split in half. And a photo will be on one side and the journaling is on the other side. You can actually see it on the top of the screen right now. I'm just working on the title card right now. I drew the background and the words, the next chapter, with my Cricut. I used black pen for that. I used a black pen to write the phrase hopes and dreams and goals on the other pocket card that's going to go into the bottom pocket. I'm really digging whatever style of scrapbooking this is. I have it on good authority that this is like digital / hybrid type of scrapbooking, and I love it. It totally resonates with me, and you'll probably be seeing a lot more crafting like this in the future on my channel. It is simple, it is quick, and right up my alley. So I did die cut the numbers 2022. 2022. It's a cut file on the Cricut, and little stars do cut with it as well. But because I sized it so that it fits into a 4 by 6 piece of paper, some of the stars did not cut very well. So I actually just skipped those ones and glued the ones that were big enough to actually be cut to my journal card. I used close to my heart cardstock for the title. It does actually still coordinate with all the colors that I used in my December daily up to this point. They're just a lot more saturated and bold than the other colors that I used in my album. I really love that pop of color next to the black and white background on that top card. So now that is complete. I am working on the bottom card. I printed my photo at 3 by 4 inches and then realized when I glued my photo to the right-hand side of the card that 1/4 of an inch hung off of it. It wasn't until after I thought I was done recording that I realized I was going to mat the white cardstock to colored cardstock. Duh. So I turned the camera back on and filmed myself gluing that together, but that was like literally just a few seconds. I did trim down my photo just a little bit further, so it ends up being like 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 in the end, so it fits neatly inside that mat. So here's the mat that I'm working on right now. It is being matted to peach cardstock. I'm just trimming off a little bit of the excess hanging off. And that's it for me. I did stamp a couple hearts in between my journaling and the little phrase that was written at the bottom with my Cricut. But otherwise, this is my last page officially for my December 2021 December daily. Thank you so much for hanging out with me through this entire series. I will link the playlist in the description box down below, but I hope you join me again. I'll be back again soon. Bye, friends.